Let's go over the blog. This is your blog's landing page, so to say. It shows the list of all of your articles with a little excerpt and then the read more button. Also shows the name of and the picture of the author, the category, and then the tags. On the right hand side you will see the search widget, featured post, the custom menu that you can create, and I can show you how to do that, the text widget, and then the Twitter widget. All of the articles will be created through a custom post type called posts. So if you click on it, you will see this page. It will give you the list of all of your articles. You can sort it by date or by title, or you can use some of these filters to show what you need to see, and you can always search by title. To create your categories for your post, click on categories, give it a name, click add new, and it will show up in the list here. Now when you go to create a post, you will see those categories show up in here. So let's click on test category. Now if you wanted to add an image to the content, you can click anywhere where you want that image to show up. Click on add media, select from the library or upload from your computer. We'll just use this one as example. Select where you want it to show up, on the right or the left of the text, or right in the middle. And select your size. Right now we only have one size here, so insert. Your tags go in here. Now this is where you would select featured post or not. If you select no, you will exclude it from this section here, and of course yes will mean they will put it in there. Featured image is used only for related posts right here at the bottom. So if you don't upload anything into the featured image, this is what you will get, an empty space. And then again you have the SEO fields here if you want to customize information for this specific post. Below you can select your author. So right now we only have 2 users, and in the next video I will show you how to create your authors and how to update their information. And click on publish. So if we're going back to the blog, you will see that the image shows up right in here, and you probably don't want that, especially if the image is large. It will probably mess up the layout of the page. So make sure that either you have enough content right here, a lot of content basically, and the image is somewhere down the line in the content, or you can always put click on this insert more tag, and then that will insert the read article. Update. Refresh. And now your image is not in the preview basically. Also you will see your tags for the author and then the comments. So if we click on the author name, it will take us to the archive page for that author, and then the comments link will link to the form to leave a comment. Now for the one thing to mention, all of the posts automatically will have this share bar that's programmed into the template for the post page. In the sidebar, as I mentioned, you select featured post yes or no when you're creating a post. The custom menu is done through a widget called just that, custom menu, as you can see right here. Let's close this one. So this is your search widget. It shows up at the top, your featured post, which is right here. Just drag and drop. You can always change the order of the widgets if you wanted to. Very easy to do. Your custom menu, you give it a name. Maybe it's not called custom menu, you can give it any name you want. And then you select from the menus that you have created in the menu section right here. Click on save and then we'll put that menu inside. Again, your text widget. You can take plain text or you can copy HTML code. Like for example, you can use this to insert Google Ads, Google AdSense, that they give you a basic HTML code, you plug it in here and it will start showing up ads. And then your Twitter feed. Just to go back to the menus, how you create another menu to show up in that list. The two main menus are right here. You can always select more menus as you need them. Give it a name. Excuse me. Create menu. Add whatever you want to put in there, just as an example. Click on save. Now when you go back to the widgets and you click on your custom menu, your list should show up. Now the third menu, here's our test menu. Select that, save. Now let's go refresh the page. Now our custom menu shows up, the menu that we just created. Okay, in the next video I'm going to cover everything about the author.